Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. It's Steve, and today I'm going to unbox my new Fitbit Versa 4. I just picked this up today. I used to use a Fitbit Charge back, I think, in like 2016, and then I had an iPhone, I think the third generation after that, and then just haven't used any trackers since. Note, people will probably watch this and say, oh, why don't you use your Apple Watch? Well, I had a really good experience with the old Fitbit. I really liked how it tracked calories and all that stuff, and how everything was integrated into their app. And I did use my Apple Watch to work out a couple of years ago. That was really just to track the workout and nothing else. I really don't like Apple's health app. So that is why I picked up the Versa 4 to see if this is as good as the old Fitbit. And I'm sure it will be, but this isn't a review. This is simply an unboxing. So I will get to it right now. So the Fitbit Versa 4, I got it in this blue color right here. And to open it, they have this little flap right there on the bottom. So we'll pull this, slide it right out. That's what she said. Okay, so I totally forgot that Fitbit was purchased by Google. When I bought this, I didn't even remember. I just kind of figured out right now when it says by Google on the box. But here's the box. And there it is. We got the band, the watch, and the charger. I don't want anything to fall out, but there's everything. Charger, the watch, and the band. So first I will, I guess, try to get this watch out. I don't want to break anything, but, oh, just pop it out. It just goes right in and you pop it. All right, there it is. Looks really well made. It's not a huge watch face, which I don't mind, but it looks like it's big enough. Get this off. Cool, cool. I like the color. So for now, we'll put the watch down here. Now we will pop out the charger. So much stuff in here, it's crazy, but whoa, booklet's fallen, but here's the charger, and this is also pull tab, which they never work correctly, like ever. Okay. They only ship it with the USB portion, so you'll have to have your own little jack, but everything we buy nowadays comes with a little, power supply. So you should have one somewhere that works with a standard USB. But there it is. Put this down. And then we will take out the extra band, which just slides out. Well, I'm not sure. I think this is the large band. I think it's connected to the small band. Doesn't say right here, but I'm pretty sure it is. Easy way to find out. Not break it on the first day. So this is the band that was connected. Oh yeah, it says SP, so that's the small band. And this is the large band. That's pretty neat. I mean, it's standard for most watches anyway to come with two size bands, but there it is. The Fitbit Versa 4. It should do everything that I need. And yeah, I'll use it for a couple of days. And if I see any crazy improvements that I notice over the last model, besides like software updates to the website and the app, maybe I'll do a review. I'm not great with doing reviews, but we'll see what happens. But I really like it. It's really sleek. I like the colors. I usually get standard like black and gray every time, but I figured why not get a little blue, and then if I want to change the band, I could always buy it. So there you have it, my unboxing of the Fitbit Versa 4. If you own this Fitbit, let me know in the comments below. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Just let me know all your thoughts below. If you've used Fitbits heavily, and your Apple Watch heavily for working out, and you've reviewed them side by side, let me know what you think about that as well. Do you use your Apple Watch to work out and track everything, or do you use Fitbits? And that's all I got for today. So keep liking, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, guys.